Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your CKE account. First, you have to open your Google Chrome web browser or any other browser you prefer, and you have to go to the top section over here, which is URL section, and type down login CKE and enter it after you're done. And after from the search results, you'll get a lot of options, but what you have to do is scroll a bit down over here and click in this option, and then you'll be directly get an option like this in order to log in. So you are required with a username as well as your password. So simply type down your username and password, and you can click in this option in order to log in. But if you have forgotten your password or lost access to your password, you also have an option that says forgot password right over here in order to recover or reset your password. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope I could help you on how to successfully log into your CKE account. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.